Hello everyone, a very happy new year to you, and what's the best way to start the first video of the year than with a contest? Welcome to the very first Encreate's Create Challenge. For the contest, I've teamed up with Composite Nation to give you this unique opportunity to win lifetime licenses of the amazing Encreate Glow Generator and BreakGen Layers Breakdown Generator plugins for Photoshop. All you need to do is download this template of two beautiful kids pointing at something and finish the artwork. Allow me to give a quick backstory. I created this two worlds composition sometimes back as an entry to my friend Mr. 23's contest, and since then I was fixated on this bottom half of the composition and wondered how different artists would perceive it. So you have the complete freedom to do whatever you feel, but I have put restrictions on the position of the kids as we need some common grounds for the competition. So you are not allowed to move, rotate or resize the kids, but you are free to transform them into anything you want. You are free to use as little or as many stock images as you want and tell the story. You can take them on some jungle safari or give them baby spacesuits and take them to outer space. Also, you are not allowed to change the image dimension, which is 16:9. The image is in 4K resolution, and if in any case you add hundreds of layers and your computer starts to lag, you can simply go to image size, make sure the aspect ratio is locked and reduce the size so that it always stays in 16:9 ratio. You can only use Photoshop for the artwork, and you are allowed to post multiple entries, but only the best will be considered. Once you are happy with your artwork, you need to post it on Instagram and use the hashtag #EncreateChallenge. Also post an additional slide showing the stock images you used, because it would be unfair if you use an already made background from a game or a movie, right? And finally, follow us on Instagram. The last date to submit your entries is 31st January midnight UTC time. After that, I'll sort the top 10 entries and invite Mario from Composite Nation to help me judge the finalists. I believe art is very subjective and I might be biased toward one art style over the other, so I would need another expert pair of eyes like Mario's. And sometime in February, I'll announce the winners on my channel. We will look for the originality of your concept, the technicality of your creation, and the overall likability of the artwork. Now you must be eager to hear about the prizes. Thanks to Composite Nation, the winner will get a lifetime free copy of the beautiful Encreate Glow Generator plugin for Photoshop. You can use it in an infinite number of ways to generate realistic light glows, plumes, streaks, light dispersions, and whatnot. The results simulate real-life light glows, and you can literally spend your whole day playing with it. But that's not all. The winner will also receive a lifetime free copy of the super handy BreakGen plugin. You can use it to super quickly generate a layers breakdown video of your artwork and post it on your Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. But hold on, there's still something more. We know sometimes winners beat it by a tiny margin, so the runner-up will also get a lifetime free copy of the beautiful Encreate Glow Generator. For more information on the plugins, you can head over to compositenation.com. Alright, if this got you excited, then let your creative juices flow and start creating. I'll put all details related to the contest in the description of this video and in the Instagram post. If you still have any queries, you can ask in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer. I'm super excited about your entries, and I'll see you in the next video, and till then, enjoy creating.